Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas Propellers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our RBX-117 Hub Kit. Let's get started. First thing, you're going to want to make sure that you remove all of the old existing hardware because the only thing that you're going to be reusing is the nut and the cotter pin. First thing you're going to start out with is our RBX thrust washer. Then next, we have our RBX propeller. And this is followed by our RBX Aft Spacer. Then next, we have our flat washer. And lastly here, we have our nut. And for the exact torque specifications, you're going to want to check your engine's owner manual. And lastly here we have the pin.